Welcome to the Trapdoor Woodworks Dream Woodshop build update number 13. The big update elephant in the room is the furnace install, or garage heater if you want to call it that. This was several videos long. It started with the conversion of this from natural gas to propane. And well, it actually ended with that as well, because I had to do the test and then do all of this bracing and stuff. So not sure how many videos this is, but I'll link them below. I had to install that BX armored cable, ran the power over here. You could see the thermostat comes through that little grommet there and runs along that, and it's attached right there. I hooked up this lower leg of the propane line, the last leg of it, got that connected. I got the flue installed. I'll show you the outside in just a minute. And I did the final testing, final bracing, all that stuff. Put the side panel back on and got this started up. Let me see if my batteries are still working. Sure they are. All right, we'll turn the furnace on for you. Turned it over to heat. You can hear it. Fan starts first. Should be able to see it through there. And there you have it. Pretty soon this other fan is going to kick on. The first fan you heard was for the flue, and once it warms up enough, the fan that blows the heat into the room will kick on. Like that. And here's what it looks like on the outside. Pretty cool. I still have a tiny bit of work to do out here. I'm just going to put some high temp silicone around the boot there, but that's about it out here. And on the inside, I'm going to be putting a ceramic blanket around the thimble. Let me show you that real quick. The ceramic blanket is going to go around the thimble right here, even though it really doesn't need it. This is pretty warm here. It's super hot back here, but this is cold right here. I'm going to watch this and see what the temperatures get to. I'm going to put the ceramic blanket on there regardless, and I'm going to put some ceramic blanket on the wall back here. Then I can finish up this fiberglass and have this area closed off. I'll be hooking a condensate drain up to this in the near future. For now, any condensate drips into that bucket down there, but I've found that if it's not raining outside, rain was getting into it, coming down and dripping down into there, but without rain, there's almost no condensate, at least at these temperatures. I'll turn that off. I don't know if you could hear that, but the flame kicked off right away. The fans continue to blow until the heat dissipates. Let me see what the temperature is here. It is about 45. It was a real nice day. It was sunny most of the day, and I actually had that on for a while today, so it's actually really pleasant out here. And the last thing I did this week was install this remote attic temperature and humidity sensor. With the ceiling open, it's not going to really do a whole lot right now, but currently it is 49 degrees up in the attic and 46 degrees right here on the desk. 55% humidity right here and 46 up there. Let me show you how this works. Once this ceiling is completely sealed off, and the wall as well, there's going to be an opening in this big opening right here and this one right here. I'm going to have the light switch right inside that opening as well as this. And let me show you how that works. All right, the sensor is right in the middle of the attic, and once this has the blown-in insulation, the blown-in insulation is going to be to the top of these sticks right here, and this is going to hang right above that. And I have it on this pulley system so that I can pull it back over here to the opening and change the batteries and or change the unit if need be. I can also change this rope if I want to just by pulling another one through. I'm going to have to tighten this up. This is really loose, but it's going to work for now. Once the insulation is up here, I'm not going to be able to get into this, so this is the only way I'm going to be able to have this sensor right in the middle of the room and be able to change the battery. So that's about it for this update. I didn't get anything further done with the metal ceiling, but I got this furnace completely done, and that was a huge thing. Like I said, I'm going to link to all these videos and the video of the installation of this. I'll link to all that below, and hopefully the next video, the next update, update number 14, hopefully I'll be over here somewhere with the ceiling nearly done. Then it's onto the wall, and pretty soon we're going to be cutting wood out here.